Hi everyone! In today's video we are going to talk about the first stage of the structure of the case solution, namely about the intro. There is a saying that you are judged by appearances at first, but by your mind later on.
Hey, Mr. White! Make those tires shine, huh?
Oh my god.
Now, say my name. Heisenberg. You're goddamn right.
However, the interviewer is able to decide whatever you are suitable for the next round or not within the first 5 to 10 minutes of the interview. Therefore, at the initial stage it is very important to come fully prepared. So, let's begin. The introductory part consists of two sections. First, background questions. Second, questions about the main structure of the case. There are two types of background questions as well. First, clarification questions. Second, recap. Clarification questions include the following two types. First, questions about deciphering an abbreviation. For example, what does ARPU mean? Second, questions about the term's interpretation. For example, what does the utilization factor mean? Recap is a case background review that you received at the beginning. An important note, you need to do the revision only if there is a lot of information. There can be a lot of market data or data about competitors' clients on the market. Now that we finished with background questions, let's talk about the main structure questions. There are four types of questions about the main structure, the first three of which are mandatory. First, questions about client's business model. Second, questions about client's objective. Third, questions about target KPIs. Fourth, questions about client's motivation. Questions about the client's business model. They include questions about how the client's business is structured, from procurement to implementation. An important note, you need to consider the exact business that is discussed in the case and not the standard business of the client's company. For example, if the case is about an owner of a gas station opening a grocery store on the territory of the gas station, you need to find out the specific business model for selling products in this grocery store and not to use the business model of the gas station. Questions about client's objective. They include questions about which indicator is key in making decisions for our client. For example, profit, NPV, ROI, etc. Questions about target KPIs. The goal of these questions is defining a specific value for the client's objective. Achieving this value for the client will mean that they will be ready to make a decision. For example, the client is ready to enter a new market if their profit objective is above $1 million in the first year. KPI. Questions about the client's motivation. They include questions about why the client wants to do what they plan to do. Unlike the previous three questions, this one is asked only in strategic cases. Market entry, growth strategy, new product. The answer to this question helps to understand what hidden problem the client had. It also helps to use this information in a case solution. For example, the client wants to enter a new market as competitors are squeezing them out from the current one. Therefore, you need to help them to successfully enter a new market or offer some alternatives. Let's recap. Now you have a structure with which you can ace the intro of your case. In the next video we will talk about the second stage of the case solution, the main part of the case. So, stay tuned for more. Cheers!